2025 was a defining year for Medvarsity, strengthening global trust, deepening clinical relevance, and expanding real-world impact in healthcare education. This year marked key milestones, including provisional accreditation from the Accreditation Council for Continuing Medical Education and continued accreditation by the British Accreditation Council, reinforcing Medvarsity's commitment to global quality standards. Medvarsity also launched a new AI-enabled website, designed to personalize learning and support clinicians as lifelong partners in education. Medvarsity expanded academic innovation with the Illness Scripts print series across 6 specialties and partnered with the Ministry of Health, Guyana, to launch the country's first health sciences program. In February, the AI Revolution in Healthcare Summit in Dubai brought together over 1,300 delegates from 23 countries, with a digital reach of nearly 8 million across 110 countries. The Fellowship in Emergency Medicine continued as India's only RCGP-accredited program, with accreditation extended through 2026. Strategic partnerships with the Global Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, the launch of new certificate and advanced certificate programs, and the Fellowship in Integrative Oncology further strengthened Medvarsity's interdisciplinary leadership. Medvarsity's leadership in future-ready education was further recognized with the Skill Development Leadership Award at the World Education Congress Global Awards 2025. Assimilate by Medvarsity engaged over 700,000 clinicians from 187 countries, hosting nearly 300 expert-led case discussions, while deepening collaborations across Indonesia's healthcare ecosystem. 2025 reaffirmed Medvarsity's mission to empower healthcare professionals and shape the future of healthcare through education. Our sincere gratitude to the partners, faculty, clinicians, and learners who shaped every milestone of 2025.